Hello students, Mr. Jen here. We're getting into chapter 9. We skipped some chapters in the book. Like it goes from, this is chapter 9, Egypt was chapter 5. But don't worry, we're going to get back to that. That's like ancient Greece and stuff. We're going to get there. For now, we're doing ancient India. Pretty fascinating stuff. We start off with sort of the geography of India, what it's like there, what the land is like, what the weather is like, and it kind of tells you why things developed there the way they did, with, say, the dry season and the rainy season, and how that affected farming and civilization. We did say this is one of the ancient river civilizations. We learned about the rivers there and how that's where the first sort of cities appeared, with the Indus River Valley civilization, sort of what was there before it became the Indian culture it has today. And there are two cities, Mohenjo-daro and Harappa. And then the Aryans move in and they sort of mix and form this culture that has become the Indian culture. We learned about the caste system, how that developed. That's their class system there, their social structure. And we talk at length about the religions of India. We know a lot about that already with our lesson on Hinduism and Buddhism. We revisit that in greater detail. We also talk about a religion that we didn't talk about yet called Jainism. And then we talk about the empires that form and fall in ancient India. So a lot to go over. Very interesting stuff. And some of it is still very applicable today. You're going to learn about like why India is India. That's basically what we're getting into. So that's where we're headed with this chapter. A lot of very interesting things in here that are very memorable. That's it. Go ahead and bump onto the vocab on the very next page, and then you have your standard vocab matching quiz today, and then lesson 1 the very next day. All right. I'll see you tomorrow.